So I told Caleb that once I got the drone I would do an unboxing video. So this is my unboxing video. Got the nice Drone Dojo logo, Pixhawk, and so let's see what's in this lovely box that we have today. Sorry, I don't have any full-time recording capabilities, so you'll just have to deal with my phone. So, we've got the Drone Dojo parts list, building videos, what else? Congratulations on your drone kit purchase. How to build a Raspberry Pi drone. So, you got propellers. I believe this is a hexacopter, or I mean a quadcopter. Oh, nice Lipoguard bag for the batteries. Got a big bag of parts. We'll go through that in a minute. And we got arms. These are the DJI Flame Wheel 450 arms, I believe. Four arms. Got the IMAX LiPo battery charger. That'll be handy. And then we've got the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 4. Nice. 2 gigabyte version. You've got the battery. And we have the FlySky IS6 radio. Wow. Okay. That's it. That's the box. So, not really going to use the FlySky since I've got a FR Sky that I use. I probably won't use the battery charger since I've already got the battery charger. Let's see what size battery we got. Oh, a 3000 mAh battery. That'll be nice. That's a pretty decent battery. .3S battery. That's decent. Put that on my other quads. So, we got arms, battery bag, propellers. So, let's look at what's in this big bag. The big bag of parts. I'm guessing it's a frame kit. So, Cutting with one hand is kind of difficult. Should have the Pixhawk controller in here. So, we got our bag of parts. Got the integrated PDB. That'll come in handy. What else we got in here? Not exactly sure what all that is. Got a PPM encoder. 16 gig flash drive, some wiring. Got our GPS stand, nice heavy duty battery strap, cables, feet, batteries, rechargeable batteries. I'm guessing that's for the Fly Sky. Telemetry, ESCs, motors, zip ties, tools, zip ties. What else? Pixhawk mounter, stabilizer, and looks like I got an extra cable. So I got 2 of those cables. Oh. Okay. So we've got that cable. Why we got 2 cables? Let's see our parts list. Oh, we got the frame. Innovation plate. So that's standoffs and tools. That's ESCs. Telemetry. So I'm guessing the Pixhawk, yeah, there's the Pixhawk right there. Alright. So inside this bag, that is the I2C USB, PPM, Pixhawk, XT60, Dean's connector. Not sure what we need a Dean's connector for. That's the BEC, battery elimination circuit. That would be your 16 gigabyte card. One for the Raspberry and one for the Pixhawk. Pixhawk to Raspberry Pi cable. That's it. So, looks like we've got a new project to build. So, let's get to it.